Hello and welcome, new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. This is a quick Dollar Tree haul. Wow, we have salted roasted peanuts by Hampton Farms, packed with protein, and it's 8 ounces. It's a nice size bag. This is a nice couple snack sizes. I mean, depending on how many you eat. You like the old school, crack the nuts and eat the peanuts. Out. Awesome. Fine. Next, we have corn nuts. It's a limited edition. Kick and Deal pickle. It says crunchy corn kernels, and it's a 4-ounce bag. And it would be interesting to taste the Kick and Deal pickle flavor. We have Copper's chocolate, dark chocolate espresso beans. Bite size work. They're actually quite good. Surprisingly good. So if you ever try one, I know they have the dark chocolate and I think they have the milk chocolate. These are not new items, but they deserved a little recall for everyone to enjoy. Speaking of coffee, we have iced coffee lattes. We have peppermint mocha, pumpkin spice, and vanilla. They're all by Victor Allen's, and they are 11 fluid ounces. For those who like a little iced coffee flavor, probably chill it, add some ice, make it chilled, and there you have it, your iced coffee at a fraction of the cost of the other place people buy them from. Tomatoes, okra, and corn, a Southern style by Margaret Holmes. Homemade easy. Homemade made easy. Okay. And it's a nice size can. So if you like tomatoes, okra, and corn mixed in together, you have it. Just be careful. Sometimes these items have high sodium. So if you're looking out for, something that's a little low sodium, you might just combine them individually on your own and not from a can, but sometimes we just need the can. Wow, a cheese wire slicer. Simply slice through blocks of cheese, and it's stainless steel, even sizes slices every time. And it's kind of cute. The handles has like Swiss cheese. So this is the infamous cheese wire slicer. Hosted. These are 20 compostable cold cups. It's 16 fluid ounces. Be a good host. Compost. Okay. So it's easy to compost if you want to help the environment and this is you doing your part. Well, if you like the Raiders, this looks like maybe a soup cup, but it says not to put in the microwave or dishwasher, so I'm not sure. Or you can always just use it as a snack cup. And you can open it up with a little breeze if you want to. Go Raiders! If you like Mickey Mouse items, here is this awesome bowl. It has like Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, I think Goofy or maybe Donald Duck. It has the Mickey Mouse Disney character family. So if you would like that, run and get them. Only seen a few items. This is by BB, and this is a 3-in-1. It's a flosser, an interdental pick, and a tongue scraper. And it's fresh mint. There's 75 count, charcoal infused, gentle on the gums. Name brand Dove soap. It has shea butter, beauty bar with shea butter and vanilla scent. Ooh, moisturizing cream, 3.17 ounces. I bet it smells delicious. This is Wood Floor Cleaner by Home Bright. The scent is cedar basil. This is plant-based, cleans and shine, 16.9 fluid ounces. So if you have one in your home, this is a wood floor cleaner. Do you need to clean your garbage disposer? Well, this is a foaming garbage disposer cleaner. Deep cleans disposer and drain pipes, bleach alternative, and uncovering how many's in the pack. Sorry about that. So if you try it, let me know. This is Clean Citrus. John, of course you're it. This is a 6-binder clips. It comes in 2 different colors. They have the green marble color and the gray marble color. 2 to choose from. And then we have this awesome retractable card holder by, of course, Jot for $1.25. This is not a new item, but it is there for you to enjoy. These are not new by Crafter Squares, but they are a feature because they're a great craft item. Wood planks, 6 pieces, and the other one is a rectangle. I believe it's either 4 or 6 pieces as well. And you can do so many different crafts using these wood planks. If I remember, I'll put up, a link up at the top to show you what I use the wood planks for, what crafts I created. I thought I would show you this wall sticker. It is so cute. It's gorgeous with flowers and everything. You actually use the wood planks and decorate with it using these wall stickers. Glow in the dark, squeeze ball, outdoor fun, ages 3 and up. Well, depending on where you live, some people outdoors is a little too cold and a little too much snow. But in other parts of the country, the weather is pleasant and it's almost like a fall weather. So it's just a nice activity. Now it's time for our Dollar Plus section. It may include 1, 2, or even more Dollar Plus items for you to enjoy. Plus, plus, plus. These are still nice items to get. This is $5. It's a notebook with a gold edging. Ooh. And if we open it up, it has lines. And so it has different colors like the pink and the kind of turquoise and blue. $5. And then they have this awesome donut, but earbuds. They are so cute. They have the purple and pink, the green and pink, and they even have black and white donut earbuds. Which one is your favorite? Toys. I always like to show a few toys in the plus section. It's just great little, you know, gifts that you can give or just a nice kids can play with. Play-Doh. Who doesn't like Play-Doh? Play-Doh goes way back. And there's one more item, another Play-Doh kitchen creators. Well, everyone, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. I am still trying to hit 1,000. Hopefully, maybe by the end of January. Can you believe it? It's half of January. Well, not quite half of January, but how is your new year going so far? Let me know in the comment section down below. Like I always say, be blessed until the next time and be better than yesterday.